Last box of the day, we've got Henry here. One box Contenders football. Let's do it. Shady McCoy to 199. It's got a little bit of foil issues on the bottom there. Kind of peeling up a bit. All right, rookie ticket. Silas Red. It's the first time I've actually seen that one. Washington Redskins. And, well, there's Cracked Ice autograph. 12 of 22. Greg Robinson.
Wasn't he like third overall?
Yeah, it was a real high pick. Greg Robinson, Cracked Ice. And rookie ticket championship parallel to 99, Michael Campanaro. JJ, you going online yet later? Rookie ticket, playoff variation, Devin Street, 199. Nice. What you got planned for this afternoon? Contenders? A little team variation. Nice. Good luck with those, man. Hope you guys can get some good stuff.
Over there is for the $10 pile. The other one's the one with
Rookie ticket. Nice. Jimmy Garoppolo. 2 Odell Beckhams in one case last night. Dang. It's filthy. All right, and the last pack. We will finish with D'Anthony Thomas, playoff ticket autograph. Very nice, number 1099. Pretty solid box right there. Cracked Ice, D'Anthony Thomas on card out of 99, and the Garoppolo. All right, Henry, appreciate it, buddy. I will get it right out to you.